What's interesting to note is that it takes very small amounts of peanut to cause allergy. In this particular study, at entry, to be included in the study, you had to respond to 100 milligram or so equivalent of peanut allergy. Now, a peanut is about 300 milligrams of allergen, so that was like 1/3 of a peanut. Kind of a small amount of peanuts, but many people react to much less than that. The FDA, the United States government, has no standard now to call a product peanut-free. But for gluten, as an example, they use it's 20 parts per million is the standard minimum dose to call a product gluten-free. Now, just to keep in mind what a part per million is, if you dissolve 4 drops of ink in a 50-gallon drum of water and stir it, that would give you 1 part per million of ink. Very small amount of ink. And so if you translate the parts per million into 100 milligrams of peanuts, it's going to be something like 20 drops of that solution, I think, approximately. You know, it's a very small amount. So therefore, people have to be very careful about going to restaurants where food is prepared, because very often when they clean surfaces or clean utensils, peanut residue gets left on them, or on the countertops, or people may put peanuts on and then take them off if they know the person is allergic, thinking that's enough. It's not. Many restaurant workers are ignorant as to how little it takes to be sensitive to peanuts. And so, again, it's a big problem for parents. Some of the advocacy groups recommend interviewing restaurant staffs and getting detailed lists of foods that they prepare, and avoiding restaurants like, well, Asian restaurants, as an example, what are more likely to use nuts in preparation, or to avoid restaurants that are high volume, fast-paced restaurants, you know, serve a lot of customers quickly. But they recommend interviewing the food servers and the chef and the owners of the establishment. I mean, it's to me, that's a rather difficult thing to do. And then when the kid is not around, you don't know what they're going to be exposed to. So it really takes a lot of education and diligence. So this is potentially a great breakthrough. As a matter of fact, should these oral desensitization products turn out to be positive, and it looks like they helped a significant amount of the people during the desensitization process, it could potentially help quite a few people. And so it is an exciting breakthrough. As I said, most desensitization has been done subcutaneously rather than oral, because the oral desensitization has not been really successful, highly successful, even when products are used sublingually, they don't work as well. But this product looks like it had a significant, robust effect to desensitize children who are sensitive, highly sensitive to peanuts.